Today we're showing the installation of the Deluxe Series cable kit, Superview Cable Systems by All Time Manufacturing. Today we're using the 500 series round aluminum post. We have our holes drilled already, 29/64 of an inch hole for the Deluxe tensioner. For use with metal posts, we have our Delrin plastic washer. If you're using a wood post, you can use the standard stainless steel washer. First thing you do is slide your tensioner into the post. Then we're installing the end of our cable kit, which has a threaded ferrule on the end. You thread it in, and you're going to want to leave several threads showing. The reason you're doing this is to allow for your tensioning afterward. The amount of threads you want to leave showing will actually depend on the length of your run, but leave several threads showing and you can adjust it later. What you want to do is make sure to run your cables through your intermediate posts and all the way right through your end post. Now we're finishing the other end of our cable kit. This fitting here can be used on the Standard Series and the Deluxe Series. It has an open end here for the cable to go through. We're using our Delrin plastic washer because we're using a metal post. You have your cable sticking through, slide your fitting on, turn it clockwise helps it, and you do want to have your cable bound together nicely before going through. Pull your cable and push the fitting into the post. Now we're ready to go down to the other end and tension it. Now we're going to tension our cable, the Deluxe Series kit. I have a special cable gripping pliers. You can also use a regular pliers with a cloth on it. In essence, you just want to be grabbing your cable so it's not turning when you turn your tensioner. We're using an Allen wrench here on the back side of our Deluxe tensioner, and we simply turn it to tension our cable. The ferrule starts going inside. That's how you know you're tensioning. You can use a tension gauge, which we supply, to know exactly what you're doing. You start on the bottom, go to the top, and then alternate back and forth. It's shown on our directions. Once you've pulled your cable through the end of your fitting, and it's pulled through taut as far as you want to go, then you can cut it off, either before or after you've tensioned it. Use a grinding wheel or cutoff wheel. Then last thing you do is snap your cap on.